म्हजे पयलीं तांकां जर भितर उडयलो म्हाका पयलीं उडोवंक जाय हांव थंय वयर दिसची पडटा हांव काय दिवून बेल घेना तांकां भितर उडयता हांव तांचे बरोबर भितर दिसता पूण ही पयली सुरवात अशें जर भितर उडयतले जाल्यार सगळे आमी जेल बरो करूंक शकता हे इश्यूचेर तेन्ना दाणे मारिल्ले कस्टम हावसा कडेन हांव आशिल्लो तेन्ना फातर मारपाकूय आशिल्लो हांव तर ते टायमार भुरगेपणान आशिल्लो आतां कितें फोर्स गेलो ना अजून मेरेन जिते आहा आमी एंड वी आर केपेबल ऑफ फायटिंग What I have been saying is blocking the ships which are getting the coal. This is the internal traffic. This is basically a legal act by the residents to clear the encroachment which are illegally done by the RBL. This is not what I am saying. What I am trying to say is you bring us to power, we will officially do that blockade. If Adani and Jindal don't listen to us in good way. But I believe they will listen. When we do things like this, they either come back on us, they put us in jail or they start listening.
आज हांव खरें म्हणल्यार गोंयकारांक एप्रिशिएट करता की आज गोंयकारांनी ह्या प्रमोद सावंताच्या सरकाराक दाखोवन दिलें की तूं जर तर आमच्या घरान जर घुसलो जाल्यार आमचे कडेन ताकद आसा तुका बुलडोज करून भायर उडोवपाची.
One is approved, but we have forced to take law in hand because on Friday and subsequent month before we had gone to the collector. Okay. Subsequently, collector had asked for their documentation of the railway. Okay. We don't know what has happened with the collector, but what we did is we put letter to all concerned authorities that by Monday, if you don't stop work, then we are forced to take law in hand.
This is Alina Saldana, आणि हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक उगडास करूंक सोदता की ही पयली फावट आमी हिंगा ही मिटींग करूंक ना. आमी ट्रॅक्साचेर जायत्या फावटी आयला. लेट सर पर्रीकार ताका आमी हाडलो. प्रमोद सावंत प्रेझेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर ताका आमी हाडलो. काब्राल ताका आमी हाडलो. सगळ्यांक तेमच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी पळयलां घरां लोकांची फूंय आसा ती आनी ट्रॅक फूंय येवपाची आसा ती आनी फरेंच यू कूड टेल ऑन देयर फेसीस दे वर शॉक्ड बट फॉर वॉट एवर रिजन्स तेमच्यांनी कांय करूंक ना. पूण हांव सगळ्यांक उगडास करूंक सोदता पर्रीकार सरान after in fact even after his death there was a video that went viral where Parrikar saran सांगले हांव कशे भाशेन सेकंड ट्रॅक हाडचो ना आनी कित्याक सांगला तेणें हाडचो ना म्हूण कित्याक भाव भयणीनो आमी जाणा हे सेकंड ट्रॅक येयल्यार निसंटोन आसतले आमचे गोराचे निसंटोन आमचे साउदीचे निसंटोन बिकॉज basically a second track is to transport coal.
Rodriguez here, I am the villager. I am just a few meters away from here and I would just like to say that the RVNL, the Surya Construction, they have encroached our land. This is our land, it is not their land. They do not have any papers. Tenko papers kai na दाखोवपाक हे तेंची land. तेणे already थिंगा काम काबार करून आता हिंगा येले. They are come this side. We do not want the double tracking, we do not want the coal. If we want an ambulance or anything coming out over here, it won't be possible if they put another track. And it is not just one track that they will going to lay. I have heard that it is going to be 4 tracks. So that means slow by slow they will encroach our land inside the property.
Totally illegal, unconstitutional, because as you see on my right hand side, the entire stretch of houses are there. It is not 20 or 25 houses. There are houses in the 3rd and 4th row as well. So those houses, they have no access. This is the only access to this village. The other side, further down 500 meters, is another row of houses. Those houses, if these people want to enter to their kitchen, this is not in Goikar Pond. आमी दुसऱ्यागे कुजनातल्या भितर सोन आमगे सालां येवपा नाय ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगून दिता यांनी गोरां बांदलोली much prior to 1890s. 1890s, this land was not even gifted. It was allowed for the west of India Portuguese Railway to lay the tracks.
In the year 90s, हांवें so this hunger strike केले कित्याक हो डेव्हलपमेंट जो करतात तो इल प्लॅन डेव्हलपमेंट आनी तो डेव्हलपमेंट न्हय डेव्हलपमेंट वेलसावन जाता तो वेलसावच्या लोकांच्या फायद्याक जावंक जाय लोकांक लुकसाण करता त्रास करता तसलो डेव्हलपमेंट जायना गोंयान डेव्हलपमेंट करता तो गोंयकारांक डेव्हलपमेंट जावंक जाय न्हय हांगातान कोल व्हरून कर्नाटकाक.
People need to come down and be there with the Belgaum villagers and the neighboring villages to see that this agitation goes on, because the government is not going to listen. Call goes out also to the people. Now we need to question our representatives, both at the assembly level and at the parliament level. Where are you all? When the election comes, you all have to vote for the right candidate, so that such things don't happen again. Not just in Belgaum, anywhere in Goa.
इतले सोबीत निसर्गान संपूर्ण भरलेले गोंय हे उद्ध्वस्त कोन हे निसंतन कोन तुम्ही कोणाच्या फायद्याक ही रेल्वे हो कोळसो कोणाक खावयतात. इतले सायंटिफिक प्रूफ्स आसात that it is bad for everybody within 4.5 kilometers of the railway track also.
हांव वास्को आशिल्लो एक मिटींग अटेंड करतालो डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा इन्फॉर्म करून हांव डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा बरोबर हांगा आयला आतां सो ही इज डिस्कसींग द इश्यू विथ द रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटीज तांचे कितें सिवील डिस्प्यूट कितें आसा जाल्यार ही इज जस्ट चॅकींग इट दीस वील वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द इन्स्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कितें आसा.
The locals are alleging that this is a trespass by the railway.
See, I am not the right authority to answer your question.
Because of
Here,
police
we
was
are here only to maintain law and order. Thank you.
The voice for Koi.